me. What's the difference?
First, we have do. We use do for actions, repetitive tasks, something you always do, and what you have to do, so obligations. Do refers to the action itself, not the result. So let me categorize different examples when you can use the verb do to replace a verb when the meaning is clear, like
Tonight I do the dishes.
Okay, let's do laundry.
I'll do your hair.
We'll do your nails and rub your feet.
we use the verb do to represent something to do with work or studying or a task, anything like that. Like,
Do your homework. Don't do so much homework.
Do some work.
we can also use the verb do to represent general activities using words like thing, something, anything, everything, stuff like that.
Do bad things.
The verb make is used to focus on the result, not the action. Make is used for creating, building, constructing, producing something new. Example of using the verb make for creating or producing, like
A basketball man made a video game.
Make money, make money.
we also use the verb make when we are producing a reaction or an action afterwards.
You make me happy.
Maybe do it.
Instead, I've made it worse.
We use the verb make for plans and decisions, like
Your promise.
Made plans with Ross. Make a move.
we use the verb make for speaking and creating certain sounds, like
Make some noise.
He made a different call.
Do you want to make a comment on the rumors?
and finally we use the verb make for food, meals, and drinks.
I make dinner.
Can I make you a cup of tea?
I know all of this information can be a bit confusing, so here is a list of very common expressions that uses the verb do.
Do a crossword. Do a drawing. Do a favor. Do an assignment. Do anything. Do business. Do chores. Do exercise. Do the gardening. Do the dishes. Do the housework. Do the rest. Do harm. Do your best.
Now, on the flip side, here's a list of many famous, not really famous, common expressions that uses the verb make.
Make a call. Make a choice. Make a date. Make a friend. Make a joke. Make a mistake. Make a noise. Make a speech. Make dinner. Make breakfast. Make a cup of coffee. Make a cake. Make trouble. Make money. Don't forget to subscribe and please leave a like thumbs.